So hey, I just want to show you how to do a simple mayonnaise at home. So for that you need 2 eggs, the yolk only, mustard, olive oil, which are the basic ingredients, half a lemon juice, and then after that is the seasoning, which is personal choice in there. I like for mine to be a little bit spicy, so a little bit of sea salt, pepper, and also cayenne pepper. So let's go through that. So first thing that you do is taking your 2 yolks, you add a spoon of mustard to it, lemon juice, then you start mixing, and then you start adding the olive oil slowly. So what is amazing is that the egg yolk can take approximately any amount of oil. So you just continue to drop it while you're stirring the egg yolks. So once you have a consistency that you're looking for with a little like yellowish, color, it's time to add basically the rest. So pepper, bit of salt, and a bit of cayenne pepper. Be careful on the cayenne pepper as it is quite powerful, so yeah, it's really the way you like it. Mix again. Try it. Pepper. And this is ready to be served.